Welcome to part 2 of my terrarium build, where I'll be showing you how I turn this mini IKEA greenhouse into a full-blown terrarium. First, you will need sphagnum moss. This will be used to stick onto the spray foam to give it a cool effect, and your plants can attach to it. I'm just going to be breaking this up and we'll be putting it aside. Next, we are going to be removing the 2 side panel glasses because I am going to be using some black paint to cover the glass entirely so that the 3D effect that gets created from the spray foam won't be seen from the outside. Once they are dried, you want to put them back in place before you start the next steps with the spray foam, because once the spray foam is built out, you won't be able to put them back in. For the 3D effect, we'll be using the great stuff. You want to follow the instructions in the back thoroughly and shake the bottle vigorously to activate the bottle and get the most out of the product. I'm adding these 2 pieces of driftwood to give the background a more natural effect. The spray foam will help the pieces stay in place. And with the sphagnum moss, I'm using this to work around the pieces of wood, and will continue to do so with the rest of the background of the terrarium. Best way to get this to look very 3D, you want to use a spray foam and kind of pile it on top of each other, letting it dry in between, and just keep building the sphagnum moss. I ran out of time, so come back for part 3.